In this video, I'll show you how to create a checklist item using Trello in N8N. If this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick N8N tutorials. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This is the workflow where you want to add the Trello action, so make sure you're in the correct project before continuing. Next, go to the Nodes panel and search for Trello. When the Trello node appears, click it to add it to your workflow. After that, choose Create Checklist Item from the available actions. This tells N8N that you want to create a new checklist item inside Trello. Now select the credential you want to use. If you already have a Trello account connected, choose that credential from the list. If not, you'll need to connect your Trello account before you can continue. Once the credential is selected, move on to configuring what you want to create. Fill in the required details for the checklist item, such as the checklist, card, and the item name, depending on how your workflow is set up. Make sure your configuration matches the data you want to send from N8N into Trello. If you're using previous nodes in the workflow, map the fields correctly so the checklist item is created exactly where you want it. After everything is set, save your node and run the workflow to test it. If the setup is correct, N8N will create the checklist item in Trello automatically, and that's it. You've now created a checklist item using Trello in N8N. If this video was useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more N8N automation tutorials.